Greetings YouTube. Today we will talk about the pentagram. Pentagram from the Greek pant meaning five and gramma a letter. The pentagram is a five-pointed figure formed by producing the sides of a pentagon both ways to their point of intersection, so as to form a five-pointed star. Pentalpha, the triple triangle from the Greek words meaning five and alpha the letter A. The pentagram, also called pentacle, pentalpha, pentacle, pentacle or pentangle, is thought by some occultists to trace its esoteric significance to an astronomical observance of the pattern of Venus conjunctions with the Sun, and has had many meanings in many cultures through the ages, although common usage often is to refer to depictions of a five-pointed star as pentagrams. A distinction can be made: the outline of the pentagram or endless knot is a five-pointed star, but the five-pointed star itself does not necessarily represent the pentagram, while religious fundamentalists rarely make any distinction. Some occultists and modern Wiccans will make even further distinction, and define the pentacle as the pentagram inside a pentagon or circle. Historically, the pentacle referred to any amulet often incorporating an hexagram. The words pentagram and pentacle or pentacle is not necessarily connected with the number. Pentacle probably comes from an old French word for to hang, and means a talisman, or by extension any symbol used in magical operations. There is little agreement on these distinctions. Babylon 9 BCE. A further distinction should be made for its usage in European heraldry, where stars are generally termed estiles or mullets. Estiles, at least in England, will have six wavy rays, unless specifically described. If the rays are straight, the star is termed a mullet, and has 5 points. It should also be pierced, since properly speaking it does not represent a star, but depicts the rowel of a spur. It has no connection with celestial stars or the pentagram. Note should also be made to the Barn star, a decorative illustration often in the shape of a five-pointed star, but occasionally in a circular wagon wheel style used to adorn barns originally, and most commonly seen in German and German-American farming communities. Claims of the symbol's origins as a warding sign are questionably possible. Claimed with no justification or historical precedent that the pentagram with one point upward represents the good principle, and one downward the evil term.